welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a very nice Banana Republic try on and styling haul for you guys. I am super excited for this video because I have some amazing pieces. I have some workwear, some casuals, let's get into the video. The very first piece I have here is a cargo pants. This is actually a man's cargo pants in the color khaki. I got it in the size 34 short and I just wanted to try this style out. You guys know cargos, camo is in style right now, so this is my take on it. I decided to wear it with a brown mock neck shirt from Zara. In here I decided to add a pop of color, so I'm wearing my Aldo orange shoes. I've had these for a very long time. They're actually on their last leg, so yeah. And I decided to pair it with this orange, like almost a salmon color bag, and I really like this combination. The pants are a little too big for me in the waist, but other than that I think they fit a lot better than the next one I'm going to show you shortly. But either way, I really like this. I think it looks amazing. I think it looks very nice for that style, that casual style, and the heels kind of makes it look a little dressy. So yeah, and like I mentioned, these are the cargo pants. They are a 34 short from the men's section, a relaxed fit, and I got them on sale. So I'm not sure if they have a lot of sizes left, but I really like the fit. Brunch with the girls, you know, drinks, and that's a very nice outfit to put together. So I really love this one. The next one I have to show you are cargo and camouflage color. I absolutely love these. These were actually the first pair that I purchased. They're also from the men's section. They're the same style as the previous one, but these are 36 shorts, but the 36 is just a tad bit bigger for me. And all of the body, the waist is a lot bigger to the point where I have to kind of tie it in the back and then add a belt. So I would say if you're purchasing from the men's section, be sure to find a size that will fit you. Even if it's just a little bigger, you just need a little tailoring, but don't get something that's like super big, because then it becomes too baggy and it can just kind of throw off what you're trying to do. But over here I decided to pair with a black bodysuit with a black blazer, also from Zara, my Gucci belt, some black pumps, and my black bag. I thought this outfit was super cute because the pants are again manly, more casual, more, you know, street style, and then you add a blazer and some pumps. It kind of dress it up a little bit, and I love these pants from Banana Republic. And given the fact that these are in style, I'm very happy that I have these in my collection. The next item I have here is this v-neck olive green sweater. I got it in a size large. It is 100% merino wool, so it is very warm. I absolutely love this shirt. I think you guys must have seen it already because I tried to style it in my workwear video. I will link that down below. I got it in a size large, like I mentioned, and it fits pretty well, just the way I wanted it to fit, because I didn't want it to be too tight on me. So today I decided to pair it with my leather pants from Zara. I really like these pants because they're very warm for the winter, and I love the color. So I did two versions here. The first one I wore with brown heels, and then I switched that out for my brown boots, and I think each gives it a different vibe. Heels are a little more dressy, and as you can see, the boots, I did a little half tuck on the side, and I thought it just gave it a little character. And I really love the leather boots on the leather leggings. I thought that was very nice. I really like this combination of khaki with the brown. I thought these colors are just so well fall, but also winter appropriate, and I really like it. And as you can see, I did not want the v-neck to be so deep, so I used a little pin and I pinned it just a little higher, so it was still v-neck, but it wasn't super deep as it was before. So I really like that. Let me know what you think of these outfits so far. The next one I have to show you is actually this beautiful purple, light purple, lavender mixed color sweater that I'm wearing. It is a mock neck sweater. I absolutely love this one. I love this one, and this is actually my favorite color combination that I put together in this entire haul. So I decided to pair this one with my plum trousers from Zara. Absolutely love it. It is very simple, but I feel like the color combinations just looks amazing to me. And I tried to put on my red bottoms so I would show you the inspiration, the full inspiration, and I think it looks so good together. I just love it. I love this combination here. And then I switch it out for the flats that are almost the same color as the red bottoms, but the flats just weren't hitting the same. It just wasn't, it didn't give it to me. It just didn't give it to me. So I would say if you're gonna try to wear this outfit, definitely wear it with heels. I think it just looks a little better, a little more sophisticated, more boss vibes, you know. I really like it. And I also decided to pair my LV toiletry pouch with it. Everything just seamlessly went well together, and I absolutely love this color combo here. This next sweater is absolutely beautiful. This is also a mock neck sweater. As you can see, there's a beautiful detail here, like a braided detail in the front. I love this sweater. I got it in a size large as well. It is made of Italian yarn, so it is absolutely very warm, but it also absolutely sheds everywhere, on your hair, on your underwear, whatever. So the material doesn't feel like it's the best. So if you don't like material that shed, like I can see it in the air. Just because I lift it up, I can see the little particles, the little pink particles all over. But I really like the way the sweater fit. It's a little thin, so I would not pay full price for this. I don't purchase these things full price at all because Banana Republic is a little pricey, okay? And some of these things you don't see why the price is not pricing, okay? But I absolutely love the color. I love the way it keeps warm, but it's a little itchy, just a little bit, okay? Anyway, I paired it with my olive green trousers from Zara. I turned the belt around because it had a silver buckle and I didn't really want that to show in my outfit. Paired with my brown high heel sandals. I love this combination of the deep fuchsia, the green, and the brown as well. Please let me know what you think of these colors that I'm mixing together because I love them. I love them a lot, but I would love to hear your thoughts and how you feel about them and what you think. The pants here are a little too big for me, but that's because I'm in between sizes. I don't really know if I'm a large, if I'm an extra large. Large is a little too tight, extra large is a little too big. So I'm still in between. But either way, I really love the way the entire outfit turned out. The next thing I have here is this mustard yellow sweater, mock neck. It's the same exact one as this purple one that I'm wearing, but it's just a different color and also a different size. This one is a large, the one I'm wearing is a medium. I actually prefer the medium a little better than the large. I decided to pair it with my nude trousers from Zara. I've had these for a very long time. They're wide leg trousers. I decided to put back the belt, the brown belt. I thought this combination was beautiful, and I paired it with brown heels as well. I just think these combos are very nice, very well suited for winter if you want to add color into your wardrobe. If you're like me and you're shy away from color, I feel like these colors are not too bright or too intimidating to the point where you don't want to have anything to do with them. They're pretty doable. For example, as you can see, I do mustard yellow, olive green. I'm still wearing color, but it's not like Bottega green, or you get what I'm saying? Like, it's just like a toned down version of the colors, and I really like them. I think they're very nice and they're not too out there, you know what I mean? So you should try it if you don't like colors, and you'll be surprised of how much, you know, these colors might really suit you. This next thing I have here to show you is this t-shirt here. This is just a regular cotton t-shirt from Banana Republic. I actually got this because I thought it would be a better quality. I honestly do not really like it. It feels very thin. I mean, which is fine. It's like, you know, it didn't have to be thick, but it just doesn't feel of great quality for, you know, Banana Republic. I expect just a little bit more from them, so I decided to just keep this one casual. I threw on some jeans, some white sneakers, just to kind of, you know, not do too much. I'm wearing here my little Steve Madden bag that has the pop of red, blue, the little yellow, just to add a little interest. I still think the outfit looks very nice and put together, but I didn't put a lot of effort. So I kind of folded the, how do you call this? I kind of folded the sleeves a little bit just to give it a little bit of interest. And what I did was I scrooched it in the waist and kind of tuck it in a little bit, just to like make it seem like it's like a crop top instead of like a full tuck in. And I really like the way it came out, and I thought this outfit was just simple, straight to the point, very cute, but no not a lot of effort at all. And yeah, that's because the shirt didn't give me much to work with. It was a lot less of a quality than I was expected. I was expecting it to be a lot better, but yeah. The next shirt I have to show you is this button down polo shirt that I absolutely love as well. The sleeve come all the way down to your elbow. I got it in a size extra large, and I really like the fit of it. This is something that is very suited for work on a Friday, even on a Thursday. So I decided to pair this with gray slacks or gray trousers. The trousers are also from Zara, and at first I tried it with the black pumps in the black bag just to give you an option, and I switch it for brown accessories, so brown pumps and brown bag. As you can see, it looks great either way. This is definitely not white, like stark white. It is more of a cream off-white color, so I thought the brown would pair very, very nice. If you had a lighter brown, that would look even better. My brown is more of a medium brown, like a darker brown, so it looks more nude on me. It doesn't really show that much. But if you have like a brown that actually shows on you, that would look even better. I absolutely love this shirt. I think it's very nice, but for a specific, you know, location. I think it's good for work. Like, it's not something you would wear, let's say, I don't know, maybe you can wear it to like go shopping, depending on your style, but I feel like it's more a professional shirt, but that's still casual in my opinion. But I really like it. I think it looks very nice. Outfit that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I had a lot of fun putting the things together for you. I think I got some great pieces here from Banana Republic, and everything was on sale. I really love the outfits. I hope you like them as well. Yeah, right, comment down below, let me know what you think. I have other hauls coming, and yes, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. I will have links to everything down below, everything that I can find, granted, because some of them are super old. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.